Hi and welcome back. I see that you joined us today, for another trip to another country. Last week, if you joined last week too, we went to Andorra. If you didn't know, then please go check it out. Today we're going to Angola. In this trip around the world, we're going to go every week to a different country and we're going to experience the country through a dish on our plate, in our kitchen. We're going to make it with what we have and what we can get, because at the moment I can't travel that much and I can't look for certain ingredients. So we'll have to adapt. And if any of you comes from any specific country or knows any specific dish from a certain country and would like to share it or would like to see me cook it and try it, please let me know in the comments down below. And well, talking about adaptation, today we're going to have our first adapted dish, because I had a couple of ingredients that I couldn't get since I'm only allowed to walk at 1 kilometer around my house. And for getting some of these I would have had to go into the city center, which I can't go at the moment. So I had to be inventive, I had to Google and I had to check. And I had to find some alternatives. Without any further ado, let's get to it. The dish we're going to do today is Calulu de peixe, and it is a type of stew with fish in it. The ingredients and everything is on my blog. Today I'm going to do half of the ingredients that you will find on my blog, because we're only 2 people and we're not 4 people. We will need fish. I have some bacalao, also cod works perfectly. And I chopped it up. It's approximately 300 grams. I have 1 tomato that should be either chopped or grated. Then I would have 300 grams approximately of okra, which I couldn't find. So instead I'm going to use half a zucchini. 2 cloves of garlic, chopped. Dried fish. I am using crayfish that I had laying around at home, because I didn't find any type of dried fish that I could use. If you can find it, croaker would be a great solution or a great alternative. 1 onion chopped. 1 aubergine or eggplant if you're American, peeled and chopped and soaked in water. 1 kilo of spinach. Then I would need a cup to half a cup of palm oil. I didn't find any fair trade palm oil. I didn't get any palm oil whatsoever. So I'm going to use sunflower oil. I know that the aroma will not be the same. I know that the flavor won't be the same, but you can't do anything about it. Salt and pepper. And a bay leaf that I still have from my mom's garden. Let's get to it. In a skillet, pour your palm oil if you have it. I'm going to pour my sunflower oil. Add the onion, the garlic and the tomato. The fish. The dried fish. Our bay leaf. Our aubergines. The spinach that should be washed. I'll add it gradually because it will lose volume anyways. Now that we have our mixture all in the pot, we wait until it boils, and then we will reduce the heat and let it simmer for approximately 30 minutes. So we're back. Now 30 minutes have passed. As you can see, there's not much left of the spinach. And it's time to add the okra. As I said, I don't have any okra, so I'm going to add some zucchini. I'm also going to salt and pepper this. You can always add more salt and pepper later. I prefer to keep it a bit lower to avoid over salting the stuff that I'm making. Now we wait for another 20-30 minutes for the okra or zucchini to get soft. And since we're at it, I'm also going to make some rice to serve with the Calulu de peixe. You can also make some fufu or fungi with cornmeal or some mashed yams. I don't have any of these, so I'm going to make some rice. Here we close it and see you again in 20 minutes. And here's our finished dish. As I said before, you usually accompany it with some rice or some fufu or some fungi, which are cornmeal or yams, mashed yams. Also, for the consistency, if you would like it more watery, you can add water, and if you would like it less watery, you can add some starch or some flour in a small bowl with some water, mix it, and then add it to the soup to get it more thick, to get it thicker. And yeah, this is about it. I think I haven't forgotten anything. And also I would like to add that at the time that I am filming this video, I'm not allowed to walk around, but it might be that we will be allowed to have a bit more freedom, so don't be surprised if it comes out when I can already get out of the house. So, as always, thanks so much for watching. Kudos to you if you made it till the end of the video. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. And I'll see you next week again with a new recipe and a new country that we're going to visit. We're going to go to the Caribbean. And stay safe, take care, and I'll see you next week. Bye!